Did you drink floats growing up as a kid? Well, now that we're adults, we can add booze too. How good is that? Thought I'd go with a little Australian whiskey. This is the Archie Rose Double Rye. So just 30 mils of that, and that'll give you that nice big boozy base. And then, you know, we're trying to adultify this a little bit, so I thought a little bit of Amaro wouldn't go amiss, so 20 mils of that. Then just about 10 mils of lemon juice, maybe even a little bit less. It's really just a dash just to brighten everything up there. And given that this is the original Australian Spider, we're gonna go with the good Aussie icon Bundaberg ginger beer. Just a splash in here, then we're gonna add some ice. So I'm gonna fill it up a little bit more, but obviously you want to leave room for your all-important ice cream. I'm gonna go a nice big scoop of that. Mine has actually been out of the freezer for a little minute here, so we're getting a little bit melty, but that's all right. We're gonna pile that up a little bit there. Then we're gonna do a little bit of nutmeg over the top here. Go a couple of cherries in here. And of course you'll need a straw to mix this and get all of the deliciousness. Here we are, the original Australian Spider. Totally just tastes like summer. Really fun, takes me back to my mum and dad's garden. So we've got the classic Australian Spider. So now you know.